Wuxi Glarine Yaojie Machinery Company Limited was established in 2004. Over the past 20 years, we have faced many challenges with determination and resilience. As we embark on a new chapter, Glarine Yaojie Machinery remains committed to the development and innovation in the fields of machining and pump component manufacturing. Throughout this journey, we have stayed true to our mission and have become a trusted provider of component solutions in industries such as water treatment, heating, air conditioning, and water supply and drainage. Prime location, convenient transportation. Our company is located in the Wuxi National High-Tech Industrial Development Zone, covering an area of 15,000 square meters. With 110 professional technicians and frontline operators, we have built a strong technical team. We are just 7 kilometers from Wuxi East High-Speed Railway Station, 8 kilometers from Sunan Shuofang International Airport, 158 kilometers from Shanghai Port, and 300 kilometers from Ningbo Port. Our excellent geographical location greatly facilitates access for both domestic and international customers and ensures the rapid turnover of goods. Advanced processes, exceptional quality. We operate 4 main production lines covering engine casting, pump bases, couplings, pump shafts, and pump casings. To ensure each product meets the highest standards, we have introduced a series of world-leading processing equipment and technologies. We strive for perfection with meticulous craftsmanship, aiming for precision in every detail. Quality is the lifeline of our business. To ensure quality, we have established the rigorous 3-stage quality inspection process, checking dimensions, materials using handheld spectrometers, and appearance upon receipt of raw materials, measuring dimensional accuracy using coordinate measuring machines and surface roughness with roughness testers during production, and conducting 100% inspection before final product delivery. For critical components like pump casings, we also perform additional water pressure tests to verify performance stability. With outstanding technical strength and a strict quality management system, Glarine Yaojie Machinery has successfully passed IATF 16949 2016 and ISO 9001 2015 certifications, Environmental Management System Certificate, Occupational Health and Safety Management System Certificate. Glarine Yaojie Machinery actively expands into international markets and has established long-term and stable partnerships with renowned global brands such as Xylem, Groundforce, KSB, Wheeler, Pentair, and Trillium. Our products are exported to countries and regions including the United States, Germany, Denmark, and the Netherlands, where we have built a strong brand image. Glarine Yaojie Machinery, we continue to embrace an open and cooperative approach, continually enhance our core competitiveness, and strive to become a leader in the pump spare parts manufacturing industry.